Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to quickly and easily scan a YouTube TV QR code. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps required to connect your device to YouTube TV using a QR code. This is a super handy feature, especially when you're logging in on a smart TV or other devices where typing is a pain. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to Rome Tips for more tech tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, so you've got a YouTube TV QR code displayed on your TV screen, and you're wondering how to actually use it.
Let's get started.
First, grab your smartphone or tablet, basically anything with a camera. Next, you'll need a QR code reader. Most modern smartphones have a built-in QR code scanner in their camera app. Just open your camera app and point it at the QR code on the TV screen. Your phone should automatically detect the code and give you a notification or prompt. If your phone's camera doesn't automatically recognize QR codes, don't worry. You can easily download a free QR code reader app from your app store. There are tons to choose from. Just search for QR code reader. Once your QR code reader app is open, aim your device's camera at the YouTube TV QR code displayed on your screen. The app should instantly recognize the code and present you with a link. Tap on that link. This link will take you to a YouTube TV login page in your web browser. If you're already logged into your Google account on your device, it might automatically log you in. If not, you'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials, the same account you use for YouTube TV. And that's it. You should now be logged into YouTube TV on the device displaying the QR code.
Super easy, right?
This QR code method is a lifesaver when you're setting up YouTube TV on new devices or helping someone else get connected. So there you have it, a quick and painless way to scan a YouTube TV QR code. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more handy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.